Hello everyone, and welcome to another English learning episode for beginners.
Hi everyone. Today we will practice simple English for health and going to the doctor.
This episode is for A1 learners, so we will use short words and clear sentences.
Yes, we will speak slowly, repeat important ideas, and give many easy examples.
Health English is useful because people sometimes need help, medicine, or a doctor.
That is right, and you can use these sentences at a clinic, pharmacy, or hospital.
You do not need perfect English today. You just need to listen, repeat, and practice.
Small practice every day is better than one big lesson once in a while.
Let us begin with some important health words.
Useful words are doctor, nurse, medicine, hospital, clinic, pharmacy, and patient.
A doctor helps people when they are sick.
A nurse also helps people in a hospital or clinic.
Medicine can help your body feel better.
A patient is the person who gets help from a doctor or nurse.
Let us repeat the words slowly.
Doctor, nurse, medicine, hospital, clinic, pharmacy, patient.
Very good. These are important words for daily life.
Yes, and they can help you when you need medical help.
Now let us talk about how you feel when you are sick.
You can say, I am sick, I feel bad, or I have a fever.
Other useful phrases are I have a cough and I have a cold.
You can also say, I have a headache or I have a stomachache.
These short sentences are very useful when you need help.
Let us repeat them.
I am sick.
I have a fever.
I have a cough.
I have a headache.
I have a stomachache.
Great. These phrases are short and easy to remember.
Now let us practice describing symptoms.
A symptom is a sign that something is wrong with your body.
You can say, I am tired, I feel hot, or my throat hurts.
You can also say, I cannot sleep well.
Let us repeat the phrases slowly.
I am tired.
I feel hot.
My throat hurts.
I cannot sleep well.
Very good. These sentences can help a doctor understand you.
Now let us practice asking for help at a clinic.
You can say, excuse me, I need a doctor.
You can also say, I do not feel well.
Another useful sentence is, can you help me please?
These phrases are polite and simple.
Let us repeat them.
Excuse me, I need a doctor.
I do not feel well.
Can you help me please?
Excellent. These are very useful health phrases.
Let us practice at a clinic.
Hello, I do not feel well.
I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong?
I have a fever and a cough.
Okay. Please sit down.
Thank you.
The doctor will see you soon.
That is a very common clinic conversation.
Yes, and it is simple enough for beginners. Now let us talk about the doctor.
The doctor may ask, what is your name?
The doctor may ask, what hurts?
You can answer, my head hurts or my stomach hurts.
The doctor may also ask, do you have a fever?
Let us repeat the questions.
What is your name?
What hurts?
Do you have a fever?
Those are useful questions to know.
Now let us practice simple answers.
My name is Emma.
My head hurts.
I have a fever.
I feel weak.
I cannot sleep well.
Very good. These short answers are easy to remember.
Yes, and they can help in a real medical visit.
Now let us learn about medicine.
Medicine words can include tablet, syrup, pill, cream, and drops.
You can say, take this medicine after food.
You can also ask, how many times a day?
Let us repeat the words.
Tablet, syrup, pill, cream, drops.
Good. One simple sentence now.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Another one is, drink water after the medicine.
That is clear and useful.
Let us practice at the pharmacy.
Hello, I need medicine for a cough.
Okay. Take this syrup.
How many times a day?
Twice a day after food.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
That is a short pharmacy conversation.
Yes, and it is very practical. Now let us talk about emergency words.
Useful emergency words are help, emergency, ambulance, pain, bleeding, and accident.
These words are important if something serious happens.
You can say, call an ambulance, please.
You can also say, I need help now.
Let us repeat the words.
Help, emergency, ambulance, pain, bleeding, accident.
Good. These are important words to know.
Yes, and they should be practiced carefully. Now let us practice a small emergency conversation.
Help, please. I need an ambulance.
Okay, stay calm. I will call now.
Thank you.
Stay here, please.
Okay.
That is a very important conversation.
Yes, and it shows why simple English can matter a lot.
Now let us talk about body parts.
Useful body words are head, hand, foot, arm, leg, stomach, and throat.
You can say, my head hurts or my throat hurts.
Let us repeat the words.
Head, hand, foot, arm, leg, stomach, throat.
Very good. These words are common and useful.
Now one simple sentence.
My foot hurts.
Another one is, my arm hurts.
Great. These are easy to use when speaking to a doctor.
Now let us practice talking about rest and recovery.
Useful words are rest, sleep, water, soup, and calm.
You can say, I need rest.
You can also say, I drink water.
Another simple sentence is, I eat soup.
Let us repeat the words.
Rest, sleep, water, soup, calm.
Good. Now one short sentence.
I need rest and water.
That is a very natural recovery sentence.
Let us practice giving advice.
You can say, drink water, please.
You can also say, take this medicine.
Another useful sentence is, get some rest.
These are short, kind, and helpful sentences.
Let us repeat them.
Drink water, please.
Take this medicine.
Get some rest.
Excellent. These are very useful phrases.
Now let us practice a recovery conversation.
How do you feel?
I feel better now.
That is good.
I drank water and rested.
Great. Keep resting.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
That is a simple and positive conversation.
Yes, and it sounds natural for one learners.
Now let us talk about health habits.
Good habits are drinking water, sleeping well, eating fruit, and washing hands.
These habits help keep your body healthy.
You can say, I drink water every day.
You can also say, I wash my hands before eating.
Let us repeat them.
I drink water every day.
I wash my hands before eating.
Very good. These habits are simple but important.
Yes, and they are easy to say in English.
Let us do a full doctor visit conversation.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, what is the problem?
I have a headache and a fever.
Okay, take this medicine and drink water.
How many times a day?
Twice a day after food.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Get some rest.
I will. Thank you very much.
That is a very useful health conversation.
Yes, and it uses simple English that beginners can remember.
Now let us review what we learned today.
We learned doctor, nurse, medicine, hospital, clinic, pharmacy, and patient.
We learned phrases like I am sick, I have a fever, and I need a doctor.
We practiced pharmacy conversations, body words, emergency words, and health habits.
That is a lot of usefully one language in one episode.
Remember, you do not need to memorize everything at once.
Choose a few sentences, repeat them, and use them in your own life.
If you do that every day, your English will grow naturally.
Small steps are powerful steps for beginners.
You can always listen again and practice more.
Before we close, let us give you one final practice conversation.
Hello, doctor. I do not feel well.
What is wrong?
I have a fever and a cough.
Okay, Take this medicine twice a day.
Thank you.
Drink water and get some rest.
I will. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
That is wonderful. Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope this episode helps you speak simple English with more confidence.
Remember, A1 English is about simple words, clear sentences, and steady practice.
You are doing great, and every little practice counts.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone, and keep learning English every day.